Stop my knee!
You're the one that put it there.
My stick! In the arms of an angel.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're playing Park Day. It's really freaking cold out here. Really cold. Well, let's say.
Use this side. No, use this side. You have to leave now.
Mean.
Jeez.
It's 40. It's 40 degrees out, ladies. Go ahead.
Stop! Please, can you stop me? Hit me with the stick. Okay.
No, let's not. Put stick down. Alright, I'm waiting for Mackenzie to land right about there. Alright, come on. Heading back to the car because 40 degrees is not conducive of us right now. We just came, I think we're what, 2 weeks into cold now? God, it was 90s and 80s.
Thank you.
Not too long ago. Do not.
I won't.
Do not.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Oh, we're going to get food.
Stay warm in here.
Where are you climbing up at? Are you the queen of the world?
The queen of the world!
You're a queen, all right. Queen of drama.
Uh-huh.
Save the drama for the llama.
I don't have a shirt that says that.
This should get interesting.
American Ninja Warrior!
If I go right here, it looks like you're mountain climbing. Boy!
Yay! Pick one for the team.
How'd that work out for you? How'd that work out for you? It wasn't smart, huh?
No. Let's climb.
All right.
Yay.
All right, hold on.
It's right there. Yay.
Okay. I'm saying hold on. I don't want anybody to kick it. Relax.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
All right, where do you guys want your picture?
Right here. Let's go.
You want up on the top?
Let's get a picture of we love each other.
Oh, you have to act like you love each other? The image of my children rock climbing.
So, I'm not gonna be stupid and jump down again.
Nope.
That's like 1,000 feet cliff.
It's pretty good imagination,
Hold
huh?
on, wait. Stay there, guys. Haley. Okay, let's go skydiving. So, I'm here in the Brazil jungle. I found this awesome place to go camping.
You know, it would be... Alright, you're gonna have to work with me here because I got noise pollution everywhere. We have wood going on outside. I have cleanup going on. There's a radio going over here. I'm just... It's ridiculous. Anyway, here's the scoop for today. I'm trying to fix my screw up. And yes, I screwed up big time. I don't have a key to my green Focus anymore. Yeah, when I got done working on it the other day, I can't remember where I put it. Either I left it in my jacket, my pants, somewhere between my dad's house and garage and my house, it disappeared. So I'm still hunting for it. I'm doing a huge cleanup on the garage. You can actually see how far I am so far. I got all of that done. I'm working on this little bit here. and obviously I'm gonna get like our welder cleaned up, a lot of that stuff cleaned up, my bench is cleaned off. Just trying to make it workable and functional, and hopefully find my key in the meantime, because even though I have a friend that's a locksmith and owns a locksmithing company, it's still $200, $250 to have a locksmith drive to my house to do all the work, because this has a PAT system. Key has to be programmed, which I think there's a way to get around that, I think, but key has to be programmed. I have to have something custom cut because I don't have an original. Let's just hope I find this dang key. So, start cleaning we shall go. Alright, good news? Garage is a lot cleaner. I found out that the only reason why we have this is it's a good engine. And we're going to end up taking the pump off because the pump's junk. Keeping the engine, scrapping the rest. So that's easy. And this is actually a Subaru engine. So that's pretty damn cool. So, bad news? I didn't find my keys. Thankfully, I only lost the Focus key. Because at one point, I was missing the SVT and the green Focus keys. I was going crazy. So, what I have to do is, I got the hatch open, which I have to take these screws out, which removes the latch. So these two screws will remove this, which takes out the key. And I can take that over to my friend and have a new key made. Well, let me start getting that out and we'll see what happens. Yeah? Yeah. Cool. All that for that. See, here's the tumblers down here. Oh, can't see in there. Good news, it's out. Bad news. Alright, so that part's done. This is the key. Wow. This is the guide to get me a new key. So we have 1, 5-ish. One, 2, 3, 4. Well, either way. So that's it. Get a hold of my friend John, which I will link his info in the description this time, and when I get it going, he runs a locksmithing shop over in Youngstown. Dude does amazing work. So, believe me, if you want anyone, you want him. I'll link him down below. This I can put in the car, and we can see where we go from here, because my original intent was to do more body work on Jeremy's truck, but it's 40 degrees. It ain't happening. So yeah, the girls have figure skating tonight. We have to get through that. Let's see what else I can do today. Stay tuned, guys.
Let's go hunting. Let's go hunting. Run away, run away, run away, run away. Let's go hunting. Let's go hunting. And then safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. TMI.
The tools of my trade to get in the car last night.
Please tell me your keys are in your pocket.
Yeah, I got my keys.
That's nasty.
Yeah.
You do not touch that. That could be disease.
So not only did I lose the keys to the green Focus, and I lost but found the keys to the yellow Focus, I also locked my keys in the Mustang last night at my sister's house. It's been a week. Figure skating we shall go.
Good. La, 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 la. I'm going to fall.
You what?
You enter through the exit and you exit through the enter. That's how it goes. Da, 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 da.
Go. Shoot. Help me. Do not touch the window art. You get your butt kicked. Alright guys, it's about 11:30 at night, so I gotta try and keep it quiet for the kids. No luck on the keys so far. I'm gonna keep looking, hoping for the best. Girls have a skating tournament coming up, so we're gonna be going to North Canton for that. I'll bring you along, I promise. In the meantime, like, comment, subscribe, and as always, we'll see you on the flip side.
I'm going to my mom. I'm gonna fall. I'm dizzy.